There is not a moment to lose. We have so much to cover this week, and it all starts with getting your video and your thumbnail SEO ready when you upload them onto YouTube. Google became famous because of their SEO, search engine optimization, which gives visitors relevant results when they are searching for something. At the current rate of over 500 hours of content being uploaded onto YouTube every single minute, it's not a surprise that YouTube is also obsessed with SEO. If you want your videos to be found, you have to, and I do mean you have to, optimize both your video and your thumbnail for YouTube's search engine. So let's turn on some exciting music and start our SEO optimization. There are 4 steps that we have to remember to do before we drag and drop our video onto YouTube to be added to our channel. The first is to make sure that the keywords that you are targeting for, that you want to rank for, is in the title of your video file and in the tags of your video file. For my example, I will show you exactly what SEO strategies that I used to get one of my videos ranked number 1 on YouTube in 38 minutes. The video was titled Effectiveness of YouTube Advertisement. At the time I was documenting my YouTube journey, you can see when I typed in the keyword and hit search, my video was ranked number 1. And it was posted 38 minutes ago and only had 10 views. Let me show you some of the things that I did to achieve this. When I finished editing the video and exported it, you can see the file name was called Sequence 1. YouTube looks at all the titles of the things that we upload, so we have to change the file name to our keyword. So I changed it to the keyword plus the hook because that's the full title of the video. Now the video file is titled Effectiveness of YouTube Advertisement, How to 2x your ROI Instantly. Now, this next secret I'm going to show you is something I learned while working with YouTube headquarters. Right-click on your video and select Properties. Then click on the details. Do you notice there is a tags section that is blank? YouTube is so sneaky that it even looks at the hidden tags of your video files to make sure your video is indeed what you claim it to be. So don't leave this blank. Let's put in our keyword and then click Apply. There, 1 step down, 3 more to go. The second step is to ask yourself, does the thumbnail you created have a hook? Open up your thumbnail and honestly ask yourself, if someone saw this, would they want to click it? Does it create curiosity? In addition to voice recognition software, YouTube also has visual recognition software. It's so advanced that just by scanning your thumbnail, it can tell not only the words in your picture, but also that it's a guy with short hair wearing a red shirt along with a pile of coins. I'm telling you this so that you don't underestimate the power of your thumbnail in conveying information. Make it very clear so that people know what your video is about. The third step is to type your keyword into YouTube, hit search, and look at the other thumbnails that are currently ranked on the first page. You want to make sure that your thumbnail stands out from these. You can see my thumbnail is okay, a little better than average in standing out. You always have to remember that your video is in constant competition with others. Whether it's using different fonts, different colors, different props, different backgrounds, or even different facial expressions. You need to make sure you do whatever you can to stand out. The fourth and final step before you upload your video is to remember to put your keywords in the title of your thumbnail and in the tags of that picture file. You can see my thumbnail was just called thumbnail, which is not good enough. So we will change it to our keyword. Just like for our video file, we right-click on the thumbnail photo, select Properties, select Details, and then click on the Tags section and put our keyword into this blank field. Click Apply, and OK. Alright, this concludes the SEO steps that we need to take before our video upload. Let's continue to the next episode, and I'll show you what things we need to do while our video is being uploaded onto YouTube.